Hey everyone, I'm Katie, and today we're going to go over our review the uploaded documents task for our bookkeeping pipeline. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free, and then you're going to go ahead and look at your template, go into For Templates, and then Tasks, and then open that task. Here you're able to review everything involved in your task. You have your description that is assigned to the role of bookkeeper. It starts in 0 days, which means it starts today and is due in 5 days. You also have a list of subtasks. You can delete any of these that are not necessary for you, or you can add any subtasks that you need to. Go ahead and click Save and Exit once you've done any editing that you need to. And for example, today we're going to go ahead and assign this as a one-off task. We're going to click New, Task. We're going to assign it to our test account and choose our template, and it's going to fill in everything that we need. So here you can see everything has been added. You have your subtasks, your description, your start date and due date, and then the role that it's assigned to, which is bookkeeper. So we're going to go ahead and click Create. And now you can see that this has been assigned to the client. If we go ahead and click on it again, you're going to see that the assignee's name has been filled in. So this is who the bookkeeper was on that account. When you're on the task, you can also check mark each of these subtasks off as you go through them. And this 0 out of 8 will change to however many subtasks you have completed out of the 8 subtasks, or however many of the subtasks you've completed out of however many subtasks you have at that time. And once you're done with the task, then you can go ahead and click under Status and then Completed. And then you can click Save. If you have any questions, please reach out to the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.